In this episode, we are going to model a Macintosh. Remember to look at the screencast keys if there is any magic going on. Any key I press here will appear over here. So let's reduce the size of this cube. So we're going to edit mode, go into the front view by pressing the X, and then press S to scale, and let's scale it down a little. Nice. You press the middle mouse button for it to move to the right a little, or you can press the Y to go into the right view, then go into wireframe, and let's press G and then move it up by pressing Z. So you press Z to go up a little. Now press E to extrude downwards a little. So E, go down. Nice. And then press E again to go down. Nice, that is fine. Scroll to zoom in a little. Drag over these edges. Press G and X. So you can move it on the X axis. Select the whole of this edges at the bottom, press E and move it down a little. Great. Now let's highlight all these parts. Press G and move X, press X and move it to the left a little bit. Nice. So we have like the base view, the base shape of our Macintosh. Let's go to the front view by pressing X. I want to reduce the width a little, so press S and then press Y to scale it on the Y axis. Nice. So we have, when we go back to object mode, we have this basic shape here. Now let's create a wedge at the back. So we press Y, go to wireframe mode, edit mode, highlight this part. Or what you can do is press the middle mouse button to move the viewport like this. Go into edge select and select this edge. Then you press Ctrl B or Command B to create a wedge. So this is fine. If this doesn't look good and you already released your mouse, you can undo by pressing Ctrl Z, and it's already selected. The edge is already selected. So if it's not selected, select it again. Go into right view, press Ctrl B to bevel, and then bevel it like this. Nice. Now let's make the screen. Go into solid mode and then face select by clicking here. Select this face by clicking on it. Press I and move your mouse inwards a little. Great. Let's zoom in a little. Then now we press E to extrude. So we are going to extrude backwards. Voila. So we have our screen space. Next thing to do is to have the disk over here. So select this face, press I and scale a little. Nice. Then we can go into the front view. Select the edge, select button, and then click here. Don't know if this is clear. Click here on this particular edge. Press G and X to move it. I mean Y, I think. To move it on the Y axis and move it here a little. Nice. We go back to face select, choose this and press E to extrude. So we are extruding inwards. And there we have our Macintosh. So you can correct the shape, go into wireframe, go into point select, select this part, press G, press Z. If you press G, it can move in any direction. Press Z so I can move in the Z direction and move it up a little. I think this is better. Let's go back to solid mode and object mode, and there we have it. So we can use our camera, we hide our grid, and we can export this. So nice. So that is it for today's modeling exercise. See you in the next one. You may notice that the object doesn't appear properly over here. What you can do is to go to click on this button and then select cavity and choose both, so you can see that it appears properly. Now you can screenshot it and post it.